Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's still me, Leah. So today I'll be talking about something that is very important. Do you know that sometimes it is not your salary that is keeping you poor or that is making you not to be rich? It is your spending habits. Just think of it. Two people can earn the same amount every month, yet after 5 years one has savings, investments, and a growing business, while the other one is still living from paycheck to paycheck. So what's the difference? In many cases, it is the habits that they practice every day. It is their spending habits. So in today's video, I will share you 10 habits that can make it very hard for you to build wealth and what you can do to help you build wealth. But before we continue, please do it, like, subscribe, and share my video so that other people can also see the video. So number one of it is spending everything you earn. One of the biggest mistake is spending every naira or dollar that gets into your account. Some people are very fond of it that when they are paid monthly, before the end of the month, they have even borrowed. They have even borrowed money, like they are even owing already. If nothing is left after payday, then it becomes very hard for you to save. Try to save, like learn how to save something first, even if it's a little. Try to save. Then number two of it is living to impress people. Who you want to impress? Some people likes to impress, to show off, buying expensive clothes, wigs, heads, latest iPhone, buying cars, or just to impress others, of which can hurt your finance. Real wealth is not about looking rich, but it is about building financial security. Then number three of it is not learning new skills. The more variable your skills become, the more opportunities you can have to make more money. Like investing in yourself can be one of the biggest thing you can do for yourself. It is a very good decision. It's a very good financial decision to take. Then number four of it is depending on one source of income. Do you know that relying on only one paycheck can be very risky? Yes, it can. Many people work towards having additional income streams, like additional source of income, not just one, such as freelancing, business, like even if it's maybe small investments that can be earning you money, so that it will not be maybe if peradventure something happened to your work, you will now go broke. You will not even have any source of income again. That's why it is very good to have a two source of income, like not just to like, but try not to have only one source of income. Then number five of it is avoiding budgeting. People, a lot of people don't even like to make budgets. They don't budget for what they want. If you don't know where your money goes every month, that means it is very easy for you to overspend. So a simple budget can help you to stay in control of your money. Number six is waiting for the perfect time. A lot of people delay savings, they delay making investments, they delay even opening another business. They'll be like, no, I don't have enough yet, let me save more, or not even let me save more, let me wait, maybe next month. When it's reached next month, they will not say let me wait till next month again. Delay is dangerous. Start small. Even if it's small, invest small. Start small something, learn a skill, Stop waiting for that perfect time, because there is no perfect time. Stop waiting for the perfect time and do something now that will help you in future. Then number 7 is ignoring investment. Saving money is very important, but also looking for a way to invest is also very very important. But make sure that before you invest, do your research very well and understand the risk that is involved in the particular investment. Then number 8 of it is comparing yourself to others. The financial journey of everybody is different. It is not the same. So stop comparing yourself to others, because it is not good for your health. It's not even good for your health. Comparing yourself to someone else's success can lead to poor decision. Yes, comparing yourself to someone else's success, it can lead to poor decision. You can use it and make the wrong decision and even unnecessary spending. So stop comparing yourself with other people's success. Then number 9 of it is, of which is very very important, is giving up quickly. Some people give up so quick, so fast. Stop giving up so quickly. If you try it the first time, it did not work, try it again and again. You will still get the result. It will work for you one day. But don't give up so easily again, because building wealth usually takes some time. It is not magic. It doesn't happen in a day. Many successful entrepreneurs, they faced setbacks, yes, before achieving their long-term success. It did not happen like a magic to them. Ask some of them that you know. They will tell you their story. Just be consistent. Don't give up. Surely it must pay you one day. Then number 10 of it is not setting financial goals. Do you know that if you don't have clear financial goal, it will be very hard for you to make some decisions. It will be very hard for you to make a consistent progress. Just ask yourself this thing: what am I saving for? What do I want my financial future to look like? Having a goal can help you to guide your decision making, of which is very very important. So which of these habits do you think that affects people the most? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Even if I'm wrong in some of them, still also share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.